Today we're reporting 517 new cases of coronavirus and along, sadly, with 33 additional deaths. Overall, we've seen considerable progress over the past several weeks and would like to very much encourage everyone to continue with social distancing, small groups, and masks. We can see that our efforts have really been fruitful even in the context of outbreaks in college towns, transmission around K-12, which has really gone much better than we might have anticipated. When we look at the school situation, we can see from the previous week, we have 124 new students, 124 new teachers, I apologize, 326 new cases reported among students, and 16 new outbreaks. If we look at the total number of teachers on quarantine, we have 458 and 4,057 students on quarantine, which is going to be a pretty small percentage of the total population. The schools have done a fantastic job of responding and making sure that they're identifying cases and quarantining because they want to stay in school, and we certainly want to support that effort. I do want to reiterate the importance of the quarantine process. I know it's disruptive to individual students to have to be out of school for a while, but that's that next layer around the contagious case. That keeps us not only from having additional cases spreading beyond that shell, it keeps the schools open. It's an unfortunate but effective mechanism to make sure that we don't have ongoing transmission within the schools. And the less cases we have, the fewer quarantines we're going to have. And keep in mind, if we can keep students 6 feet apart throughout the day wearing a mask, they will never have to quarantine. So I would encourage us to continue to be creative in making sure that we keep our students properly distanced and wearing a mask so that we can avoid those cases and also quarantine necessities. And then the last thing I'd like to touch on is testing. We are continuing to test, and we have testing in counties throughout the state. And starting on Monday, it'll be within every single county every week. Free testing available, and it's available to people who have symptoms or exposure or concern of exposure. We're not going to validate that, but if you think you might have been exposed and want to get tested, please get an appointment, come and get tested. But also, teachers and staff in K-12 can get tested just if they want to. There's a special line item on the appointment where you can get an appointment if you're a teacher or work in K-12. And we added this week daycare and preschool employees. So if you're in any of these groups, even if you don't have symptoms or have been exposed, please come in and get tested for free if you are interested in doing so. Governor, that's all I